Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on Avalanche. Recently, the price of Avalanche has formed another falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, and now the movement is quite squeezed. Recently, you can see that the price and is also bounced from the support of this wedge and also got bounced from this long-term support of $31 as well. By the way, this $31 was a quite long-term support. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that previously it has been breaking at the resistance here, and for several weeks a month, it has been breaking at support here and resistance here back in the month of August 2022 as well. Therefore, this was a quite long-term support, and now the price and it's bounced very well from the support along with the support of the wedge, and now we are about to hit the resistance of the wedge. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this down channel, and I would also like to show you a very massive breakout that is already happened on the 7 day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout, and I've been telling you that after the breakout, you can expect a very massive pump. And so far, from this though to here, Avalanche has pumped almost 626%, but could not break out this key resistance of $55. This time you can see that once again it is rejected by this resistance of $55. And in today's video, we will analyze this wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to show you a quite long-term trade setup for Avalanche that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members, almost on first of June 2022. And that is a very big and huge harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that Avalanche has formed on the monthly time frame chart. Therefore, this was a quite long-term trade setup and still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for cow, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this trading views chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, like the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 19th of January 2024 with my members. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target line. This was a very nice one, by the way. It moved beyond the sell target. Now, let me to show you this long-term trade signal for Avalanche that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members, and that was a very long-term trade signal because it was formed on a monthly time frame chart. And now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price and it's slightly geared up from this buying zone, but still moving inside this potential reversal zone, and the sell targets that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish Gartner pattern starts from $80.13 and goes to $123.84. Now, let me take you to the live chart of Avalanche. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that Avalanche has recently formed another falling wedge pattern. This is another bullish path pattern. And now the movement is quite squeezed. Therefore, at any time, we can expect that the pricing can break this pattern. For example, if the pricing breaks down the support, then technical target to the downside will be here. That will be approximately at $21.58. And in case of breaking out this wedge, the technical target to the upside will be again here at this long-term resistance of $55. Recently, you can see that we also broke out this down channel after the breakout. We had a nice short pump, but the price was rejected by this $55 resistance. You can see that we got several ejections, and this is a quite long-term resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that this $55 has been previously breaking as support here, and resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it can break as a very strong resistance for the price line of Avalanche. By the way, here we also have a quite long-term uptrend and support as well that is coming from the month of October 2023. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. And for example, if the price line touch this support once again, then again, it can break as a strong support for the price line of Avalanche. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this previous down channel, you can see that despite this short rally, the pricing could not hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $65, slightly higher than this long-term resistance of $55. And here on the 7 day time frame chart, we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $150. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.